Alright, so we're on the road right now. We're on Zukefest 2016. Welcome to DualOak Outdoors. My name is Luke Irving. We are on our annual fishing and camping trip to southeast Minnesota right now. And basically, in a nutshell, what we do is we camp, we fish, we have a good time, enjoy the nature and the outdoors. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna pick some other guys up here in a couple hours, so we'll have, 6 guys total for the trip. And hopefully we'll target some topwater pike with buzz baits and some channel catfish, flathead catfish. It was a good trip to just kind of get away and get some fresh air, soak up the nature, and have some fun. So it's pretty crazy to think that back in the day, all this was carved out by glaciers. There it is. Line of Mississippi. Dude, what? I was just filming you too. Well, hold on. Oh my God. He lost. There's a log. Oh, that's coming. It's coming? That is coming.
That's going to cause a fish bite, I can feel it.
Actually, there is a thing called a barge bite. If you've never heard of it.
Spotlight? You can't put it in the well. I love free head. You might want to bring in that other line.
Yeah.
Which one? Right there, yeah. You want to get down? I don't have it real tight, but it's pretty heavy. They're big ass cut bait though, right? Yeah. Am I over or under you?
Oh my God, look at the fuck.
Turtle. No way. Yeah.
I don't know, man. It's not really fighting like.
Right there, Zach. It's got to be right in front of you. Yeah. Turtle. turtle! Oh, you got a turtle! Soft shell.
Soft shell.
Told you wasn't fighting like a fish.
Oh, wow, look at that turtle.
Oh, you snake.
Holy freaking bugs.
He's best.
Oh
yeah,
my God.
so pissed.
Probably grab that forceps.
Gotta take a picture. Where the...
No way.
Just make sure you can get it out real
Oh,
quick.
I'll get the forceps. Hang on.
Easy, dude. He's got a long
I know.
neck. Holy bugs. Look at him.
This is because you're
Yeah.
spotlight.
Sorry.
Yeah.
It's good light, though.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Okay, you're dead.
Oh, look. Oh. He's all placid.
Alright. Should we let him go?
Just don't let go. Whatever you.
That's awesome.
Look at that. There you go, Joel.
Nice.
Holy moly.
That's the trophy right there. So
Yeah.
That is so...
That does take the trophy.
It is. It's
You got a video?
All right, come on, let her go. We got shut the lights off.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Crazy cool. Alright, letting her go. We woke up, we had a really good breakfast. We had bacon and eggs and fried potatoes and banana bread muffins, and they were just, everything was just awesome. Some great cups of coffee. After we got done, we figured that we'd just kind of get everything together, and we were keeping an eye on the weather. We knew that the day that we came out Friday was supposed to be really good, sunny, and also Saturday it was supposed to be nice too, but we had a little bit of chance of storms, and then Sunday was supposed to be nice. So we figured even if it did storm, we would just hunker down and just ride it out. So it was about that time that we got a couple of text messages and actually a video sent to us from another guy in the team that lives about 45 minutes south of here. There was such a high risk of severe weather that was coming through later that night, later Saturday night, that we just realized that it's just not safe being on a sandbar when there's going to be straight line winds, and there's going to be large hail, possibly isolated tornadoes and heavy rainfall. You know, being on the Mississippi River, that's just not a gamble that you want to play. We decided as a group that we weren't going to take the risk of being out there unprotected, unsheltered when severe weather came through. We hope you enjoyed Zukefest 2016 and enjoy some small shots of our fish fry. And thanks for watching DualOak Outdoor Adventures.